Hey there, we're going to go over how to magnetize. I spawned a plant here by searching for plant on 3D models. As you can see, as I get closer to an object, box appears. It's kind of like a magnet field. That's what it's for. Okay, it symbolizes where it's going to stick. So watch, I'm going to let go, and it just sticks to the surface. I can, of course, put it wherever I'd like to, right? I can put it right here. I can take it, put it over there, and so on. And notice that when I put it there, now that I am using my flight mechanism to captain the ship, it'll move with me. Now let me show you another concept here. I'm going to click on music, and I'm going to find music that I like. I'll click on it to spawn. It shows up right here. I snap my middle finger, grab it, and I can put it right here by the jacuzzi, for example, and it just snaps into place. Notice that it'll go with me in all directions. If I want to huddle people, press the B button and up here, huddle. That's it.
Oh, baby, why can't you see that